Ejaya, and this is my brother Sean, and we are from all. So it's two parts. It may seem bad, but it's not bad. First part, you're gonna give me a step lock, right foot first, step, lock it, step, hit, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, and step, hit. Y'all feel all right? Yeah. All right. So we have step, lock it, step, hit, hold 1, hold 2. All right, 5, 6, 7, let's go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you need that count. Y'all okay? All right, we're gonna roll it back. Roll right, roll left, stomp. Stomping with your right. Let's do that roll back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll right, roll left, stomp. Twist, snap, roll, snap. I got you, don't worry. Roll right, roll left, stomp, twist, snap, roll, snap. One more time. 5, I got you. I'm here with you. 5, 6, 7, roll back. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How y'all feel? One more time. Let's go from the top. Step lock. 5, 6, 7, step lock. We got 1, 2, 3. Hit it. Ha. Ha. Roll it back. Go 1, 2, 3. Stomp, twist, snap, roll, and snap. Oh, no. Oh, you gonna watch? All right, all right. Here we go, step lock. 5, 6, 7, step lock. Step, lock, 2, hit it. Hey, come on, roll back. Go 1, 2, 3. Stomp, twist, snap, roll, and snap. All right, y'all feel so good? Y'all can do it 2 times in a row? All right, let's hit it. 5, 6, 7, let's go. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, roll it back. Go 1, 2, 3, stomp, twist, snap, rotate it up. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, roll back. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Y'all feel good? Here we go, transition part. You're gonna go out with your right. Out right, out left. Gonna push a half and left up and just jump up. Okay? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, out right, out left, and push, left, right. What happened? And then you're gonna end it with a snap. All right? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So right, left, right, snap. Same thing on the back wall. You're already there. I know you got it. Out with the right. 5, 6, 7. Out right, out left. Push with the right, left. Snap. How y'all feel? Right, left. Right, left. All right, keep that foot on the floor. I'll show you again. So 1, 2, push around, left, right. So when you push it around, you're gonna change your weight. So right, left, I'm pushing my weight, and my left foot is not coming off the ground. Only my right. So that's what's freeing me up to move my left. Because I'm going right, left, right. When I put my right foot down, my left is coming up. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. So right, together, left, together, right, together, left, right. Right, together, left, together, right, together, left, right. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, let's move. We're going right, together, left, together, right, together, left, right. Right, together, left, together. That's right. Let's try that with the music. Let's go.
Music.
Hey! Come on, here So start with a skate move, and it's almost like Eminem Snap, because that's a skate dance in there. But we're going to chop it up. We're going left, right, hold. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, hold. Just holding it there, no extra steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, hold. How y'all feel? If you lean to the side and feel like you're going to fall, you're doing it right. All right? So we're going left, right, hold, right, 2, 3, scoop it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, hold. Out, 2, 3, scoop it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going left, right, hold. Out, 2, 3, scoop it up. 5, 6, 7 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more. Okay. Thank you, Sean. Somebody got to keep that good eye on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, hold. 1, 2, 3. Scoop it up. How y'all feel? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, 3. Scoop it up and kick and cross. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, 3. Scoop it up and kick and cross. Kicking with your left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, hold. Out, 2, 3. Scoop it up and kick and cross. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, 3. Scoop it up and kick and cross. Step, 1, 2. So with that, kick and cross, step, right, left. 5, 6, with the kick and cross. 5, 6, 7, and kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. 5, 6, 7, kick and cross. Kick and cross, step, lock and slide. Do it again. So 5, 6, 7, kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. Let's do it again. Kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. Let's do it again. Kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. Right, left, 5, 6, 7, kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. Right, left, 5, 6, 7, kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. Right, left, 5, 6, 7, kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. Right, left, top of 2. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Come on, 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, 3, scoop it up, kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. Y'all look good. So you do part 2, 2 times. We're about to do it back to back. All right? 5, 6, 7, let's go. We're going 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, 3, scoop it up and kick and cross, step, 1, 2, slide. Right, left. I'm sorry. We ain't finished with 2. I done jumped ahead. All right. Next part. We're going roll, 2, 3, and hop. So, with the hop, you're going roll, 2, 3, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, hey, roll. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. As I said, a little hesitation between 5, 6, 7. Let's roll. We're going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, and roll it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna roll it. Hey, 1, 2. 1, 2, and roll it again. All right? The count? I'm gonna give you the count on the stripper leg, okay? let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So we're going to do it again. I kind of completed the move for you guys. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the top. And boom, 2, hold. Just like that. That's all of part 2. That's all of part 2. 2 times in a row. All right? From the top, part 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going out and hold. 1, 2, 3. Scoop it up and kick and cross. Step 1, 2, slide. Right, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Part 2 and 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, 3. Scoop it up and kick and cross. Step 1, 2, slide. Right, left, and 1, 2, 3. Kick it out. Roll it out. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut it off. We got 19. No cash, no bridges. Y'all know the dance. That's it. 2 parts. The roll. All right. So the little roll part. So I know I'm doing it this way. So if you want to get the little gist of the roll, it's just it's a heel. It's a heel. So it's a little side roll. Side roll. 1, 2, 1, 2, and roll it. You're going in with your shoulders. Oh. Well, I got $19. All right, let's try with the music because I got it. Oh, only one part that's special is when we do the out part on the, we don't be counting rotations. It'd be the second, the third, maybe the third. 2 full rotations, and when we do the out, that part, you're going to do it 2 times. Because the chorus repeats. All right? So we didn't make it up, it's in the music. Let's go, Lady D. Let's give them a belly.